In this video, I'll teach you about those question marks that you see in the duration column in a new project in Microsoft Project. Have you ever noticed that in a new project, Microsoft Project displays the default duration of 1 day as 1D question mark? Those question marks indicate estimated durations. In this video, I'll teach you how to take advantage of that feature, so let's get started. In this development project, you probably noticed that I'm really early on in the task planning process and I've only added 3 new tasks so far to the project. But please notice that the duration value of every task so far has been the default duration 1D, but each duration value also includes the question mark character. What in the world are those question marks, and why are they appearing in my project? Well, the answer is in Microsoft Project, every duration value with a question mark is known as an estimated duration. That means it's a duration that I have not manually entered in the project. If you are doing duration-based planning in your own projects where you estimate durations and not work, then I think you'll find these question marks to be very helpful because they will remind you of any task where you have not manually entered an estimated duration value of your own choice. Now, where are they coming from? If I click File, Options in the Backstage, and in the Project Options dialog, I click the Schedule tab. And then I scroll down to the section titled Scheduling Options for this project. By the way, there's my development project. In the checkbox section at the bottom, we'll find 2 checkbox options that are causing these question marks to appear. The first one is show that scheduled tasks have estimated durations. Actually, it would be better if they used the word existing tasks. So let me go ahead and move the dialog. That's why these 3 tasks have the question mark. They're existing tasks. And then there's a checkbox, new scheduled tasks have estimated durations. That option controls any new tasks I add to the project. So let me go ahead and add a few more new tasks. And again, notice here's the 1D question mark for the new tasks. At this point, you're probably wondering, well, Dale, how can I make those go away? Well, the answer is all you need to do is manually enter a duration value. So for example, design 1, I think that'll take 5 days. Build 1, I think that'll probably take 10 days, and so forth. And then you're probably going to ask, well, Dale, what if the duration needs to be 1 day? The answer is pretty simple. All you have to do is manually enter a 1-day duration value, and the question mark is gone. Now let me hit undo. And let's now assume that you are not working in a duration-based environment, but rather you're working for a company where you're estimating work and not duration for each task. So you'd probably like to know, how can we turn off these question marks and make them disappear completely? Here's how. If I click the File tab, and again click Options in the Backstage, And again, I navigate to the schedule page and scroll down to the section called Scheduling Options for this project. All I need to do is to deselect the two check boxes that deal with estimated durations. And when I click the OK button, those question marks are now gone forever in this project. If your company is using templates from which you create all projects, these same settings will need to be deselected in your templates as well. Hey, thanks for watching my YouTube video. Have you ever wished you had somebody like me who could offer you one-on-one help with your problems with Microsoft Project? If so, I have really good news for you. I offer prepaid support contracts ranging from 8 hours to 80 hours of support. If you're interested, please click the link in the description section below, and I'll get back to you right away with more information. And as always, I'll see you in my next video.